Hello students, I am M.K. Vijay, your SSC teacher. In this video, we are going to discuss about your new chapter of geography that's title is Natural Resources and Wildlife. It is only introduction. As you know, nature is present in our surrounding. A lot things are present, a lot things we are watching daily that is directly related to nature, and nature is responsible for human life on earth. If nature is not present, human life is not possible on earth. Different type of substance are present in our surrounding. You can watch like a tree, soil, water, wildlife, and a lot things, in which soil, water, wildlife, and vegetations are considered as the most precious gift of nature because human life is directly related to the its soil on which we are living, water that is playing a vital role in our life, wildlife is the source of our resources, and vegetation that we are consuming in the various form. Due to such type of things are considered as precious gift of nature. Actually nature gives some hidden wealth like different type of minerals. ये क्या है? पृथ्वी के अंदर छिपी हुई है. Due to it we are seeing hidden wealth as well as power resources like solar, wind energy, as well as all things. A lot things are present that can give us power, but that are hidden. The sum of gift of nature are together called as natural resource. और जितने भी गिफ्ट हैं नेचर के द्वारा उस सब के योग को नेचुरल रिसोर्स कहते हैं, क्योंकि सबको नेचर ही बनाया है. In which flora and fauna are the most important for human beings because they are playing directly or indirectly a vital role in our life. Flora, it is known as vegetation, and fauna, life of the different type of beings. India has about 4700 type of plant, especially soon India has 4th in Asia and 10th in the world on the base of plant and differentiation of the plant, different types of the plants. On the differentiate plants we have 4th in Asia and 10th in the world. India has about 15,000 types of flowering plant जो फूल देता है, and world 6% flowering plant are present in India. यहाँ 15,000 तरह के ऐसे पौधे हैं जो फूल देते हैं, और विश्व में जितने फूल देने वाले पौधे पाए जाते हैं उसका 6% भारत में है. A lot non-flowering plants are also present. बहुत से ऐसे भी पेड़ हैं जो फूल नहीं देते हैं. Likewise, fungi, algae, as well as different type of things different type of plants are present, in which fungi and algae are so important. आप भी देखे होंगे बहुत से ऐसे सजावटी फूल अपने स्कूल में जो कभी फूल नहीं देता है, हरे रंग का. एंड देयर आर 89000 स्पेसीज ऑफ एनिमल्स, और भारत में 89000 तरह के एनिमल्स पाए जाते हैं. क्या विश्वास करोगे? कभी इस पर ध्यान दिए हो? इंडिया इज रिच इन फिश ऑल्सो, बिकॉज इंडिया हैज फ्रेश फिश, फ्रेश वाटर फिश एंड मैरीन वाटर फिश. यहाँ मीठे जल की मछलियाँ भी है और समुद्री मछलियाँ भी है, और दोनों के स्वाद अलग अलग हैं और दोनों बहुतायत में मिलती है. एज नेचुरल प्लांटेशन दैट इज एंड not an undisturbed by humans for a long time, or it has grown without human help, is known as virgin vegetation. virgin vegetation की यह परिभाषा दी हुई है, that is not disturbed by human for a long time, that is grown automatically under the nature or under the care of nature. We can say virgin vegetation. It is also known as endemic or indigenous species. वर्जिन वेजिटेशन का दूसरा नाम है इंडेमिक या इंडिजिनस स्पेसीज. मतलब उसके 3 नाम हो गए: कल्टिवेटेड क्रॉप्स एंड फ्रूट्स for change form part of vegetation but not called as natural vegetation. यह सब देख रहे हो कि जिसका हम उत्पादन करते हैं, चाहे वो फ्रूट्स हो, यहाँ और चार्ड होगा, और एफ नहीं होगा, और चार्ड होगा, और यहाँ ए कर दो. cultivated crops, fruits, orchard, farm, part a vegetation but not called as natural vegetation because it is grown with the help of human beings. As well as natural resources are naturally occurring substance that are considered valuable in their relatively अनमोडिफाइड फॉर्म. नेचुरल रिसोर्स नेचर में पाए जाने वाला सब्सटेंस है जो काफ़ी वैल्यूबल माना जाता है, लेकिन अपने अनमोडिफाइड फॉर्म में अगर मानव उसमें लग गया तो मॉडिफाइड कर देगा. जैसे आपने जापान में सुना होगा कि चौकोर आकार का तरबूजा होता है, तो वह नेचुरल नहीं है, उसको वैसे शेप में उगाया जाता है, तो वह मॉडिफाइड फॉर्म हो गया. और वही जो नेचर में पाया जाता है वो अनमोडिफाइड फॉर्म, देन इट मे बी कॉल्ड एज नेचुरल रिसोर्स. In the next video we will discuss about the next topic. That's is enough. So good.